All right, so this is video number 4. This will be hopefully the last one for Liza Jane. Spoke about in video 1. I spoke about the importance of knowing the chord in all of its inversions. Video number 2, I spoke about mixolydian as a chord scale. Both video number 2 and video number 3. In a linear fashion, both using seconds but also using thirds. And the more thirds that you use, the more that that scalar experience tends to become an arpeggiated experience as well. So there's an intersection of thinking there. So in this 4th video, I want to mention one more chord scale, and that is when you have that sort of dominant feel, and especially something like Liza Jane, it's great to tap into what we know as the blues scale, or minor pentatonic with that sharp 4 stuck in there. So let's review that. We're in the parent key of F. This is the given 1 chord, as it were, the given key. So we have the tonic, flat 3, scale degree 4, sharp 4, scale degree 5, flat 7, and 1. And as with all of the other chord scales, I recommend practicing that throughout the entire range of the instrument, ascending and descending. Okay? Real quick, you may also want to do as you did with the mixolydian, which is to group more, to group 3 notes together or group 4 notes together. If we grouped 3 notes together and created a triplet pattern on this blues scale, starting on the tonic, it might sound like this, and then doing the same thing on the next scale degree, and the next scale degree, and the next. This is 4, sorry about that. So, either 3 notes or 4 notes. Okay, after all that time of arpeggios and getting to know your chords and your chord scales and all that sort of stuff, now's the time to let it rip. Here's what I recommend on this solo section of Liza Jane, is to set your metronome to where that groove lives. Da do dee do 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 do. I don't even know what that is. That's about 80. So you can hear that clicking away, and practice saying things. Practice great phrasing and language, and hopefully after minutes or hours, however the case, or days, however the case may be, over getting to know those scales inside and out and all of their permutations, find some language in there using those as resources. Don't forget also, a great way to frame phrases is to make sure that you have space both before and after. So here's some ideas. This is the kind of groove we have going. That kind of second line thing happening. Arpeggio. ideas can come out of the arpeggio. How about the mixo? 1, 2, mixo, 3, and 4. Lots and lots of ideas can come out of that mixo experience, and the blues, 2, 3, Sorry for the chromatic scale at the end. Anyway, hopefully that's helpful to you and inspiring. I'd set the metronome and have lots and lots of fun trying to find some language and creating beautiful sounds. So, good luck.